What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I am your host, Terry Z, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Buying the Dip. Alright, and in today's video, we're going to get into a very interesting topic. Y'all probably heard of SPAC stocks. Yes, very popular right now in the investing market right now. And basically, what is a SPAC? Basically, a SPAC is a blank check company that is there for a other company to merge in, and basically they don't have to go through all the back end paperwork and mumbo jumbo. They just get right in and do it. And as you know, there's already a few that is already pretty much done, like Nikola Motors. They merged over their VTIQ, and you got Workhorse, which is going to be merged over. And you got SPAC, which is Spartan Energy, which is going to be Fisker. So that is basically companies that has already been in the public notice and merged, which I have LCA, which is currently a SPAC, but it will be switched to GNOG, which is Golden Nugget Online Gaming. But in today's video, we're going to get into, so people always wondering, how do I get into these SPACs before they announce being publicly traded? Because basically, as soon as news comes out that the company is going to be publicly traded, the stock just blows up, like you can see here. Perfect example, LCA was just LCA, no one knew what it was, and then it was $10, and then boom, I mean, this thing shot up like a rocket at the end of June, the whole way up to almost $16 at the end of June, because they announced that they're merging with Golden Nugget in their online gaming. So, and then as you can see, it was, people bought it up, then it sold off, people took their gains and left, bought up again, people sold, took their gains, and people bought up, and then people sold off and got their gains. So today we're going to get into this video of 7 SPACs that I found that has not been listed, that has any news. These are just blank, man. There is no news of these SPACs being announced with anyone. So let's get into the first one here. SPAC number 1 that I have not found any information of a merger. And all these are going to be basically publicly traded on Robinhood. So these are all Robinhood friendly, which is very nice for everyone. So here's the first one, ticker symbol IPOC, and that is going to be Social Capital Hedosophia. But as you can see, just a blank check company. Has nothing there with it really. So right now, as you can see, look at the 1 year, it's just basically 0, and then it came up when they became listed on the NASDAQ. So it's just waiting to merge with the company. So this could be your chance, guys. This is number 1. You could buy in. Now the thing is, you may have to hold on to this who knows how long, but you are having the chance of having it before there's an announcement. These things always jump up 20 to 40%, if not 50%, as soon as the announcement comes of who they're merging with. So that is our first one. Our next one we're going to get into is CPAA. This is going to be Conyers Park SPAC stock number 2 that has not been listed or merged with any company. As you can see, these SPACs basically have 2 employees, founded in 2019, and they have no information. So this is SPAC number 2. So basically, like I said, this is basically a lottery ticket. You're purchasing into these SPACs and hoping one day the announcement comes, then you can sell them off or keep them, depending what they merge with. So that is basically going to be SPAC number 2. Let's get into SPAC number 3. And guys, please down below, if you found this video very helpful, please give it a like, please comment. I put a good bit of time, a few hours into getting research in to find these SPAC companies, and I just want to share the research that I put out for you guys to help my viewers get some gains, build up your portfolio. Plus, down below in the link of this, I have my Robinhood link. Download Robinhood using my link. Link up your bank account, we'll each get a free stock. And as you can see, these SPACs, like, not many people own it. Like 1,000 to 2,000 people own these SPACs. So this one's the Flying Eagle, ticker FEAC. As you can see, no information on it. This company was basically just put on here January 15th of this year, so it's been out maybe like 7 months. So this is another lottery ticket one, man. That's what I love about them. You just don't know. You could go in and purchase one of each just to see what happens. And like I said, all these are supported on Robinhood. So that way then you can purchase them. Some of the certain SPACs and warrants are not supported on Robinhood, but everyone in this video today will be supported by Robinhood, and you can go in and purchase them. The next one on the list is number 4. It's going to be Haymaker Acquisition, ticker symbol HYAC. And basically the same as all the other ones. This was founded in 2019. Actually on February 13, 2019. Headquarters is in New York. So you just don't know. As you can see, hopefully one day, only 152 people, guys, have Haymaker. So not many people have it. Not many people have it at all. So like I said, you can buy into this one as well. You could take your pick of which one out of these 7, or you can buy them all up. Totally up to you. And let's get into number 5 on my list. Is going to be ticker symbol HCCH. It's going to be HL Acquisitions. And boom, as you see, another blank check company. Only 1,000 people on Robinhood have it. Let's see when this was founded. So this company was founded on February 23rd, 2018. As you can see, it has 2 employees because this company is just waiting on a merger. That way then, and down here you can see people also bought, you know, you have the Tortoise Acquisition, which is, what is that, Shell? Drawing a blank who that is, but I know that's one of those car companies. You got Forium Merger 2, which is Tattoo Chef, Spartan, which is Fisker, and OPES, which is BurgerFi. See, these companies have all been merged with a company, and they will change their ticker symbols. It's just a matter of getting that process done, but the news has been out. The hype's been already there. They shot up. People sold off. Some people buy back in depending on what the company is. But as soon as any news comes out of them merging with any company, guaranteed these stocks minimum will shoot up 20%, and that's being very generous. Now our number 6 stock, SPAC stock, is going to be HCAC. I like the name of this one, so I was thinking about just like buying a couple. Only 942 people have this one, guys, so I'm getting you very good information of SPAC stocks that not many people know about. You can get in, like I said, you could throw $100 in each of these or buy a couple up, and you never know. I mean, this could be the next like Amazon, Walmart. You just don't know what company's out there. What if one of these could be Chick-fil-A? What if Chick-fil-A says they're going to announce that they're going to be going publicly traded? What is Chick-fil-A going to do? More than likely, they would just purchase right into one of these SPAC stocks because they're already in there, and it speeds up the process. They don't have to wait. They could be publicly traded in a very short period of time. This one was founded in August of 2018. This one has 3 employees. I like the name Hennessy Capital. Has a good ring to it. Just like the Hennessy beverages, if you know what I'm saying out there, Z Nation. And going to be last and final on the list, so I gave you guys plenty of options in this video. It's going to be ticker symbol NFIN. Netfin Acquisition. And here is another one. Now, I did research on all 7 of these, and I could not find where any of these companies have announced any kind of merger information. So if you guys heard of any of these companies that has announced a merger, please comment below to let everyone know. But from the information and research that I did and the couple of hours of research I did, I have not seen any merger information, so these are all just ready to go. Usually SPACs start out around $10 a share, and people will buy them up and sell them out. And as you can see, less than 2,000 people own this one on Robinhood, Netfin Acquisition. And this company was in April 2019, so basically just ready to go. Let's see, this one has little information. Banking, lending, payments, software, including capital wealth. So maybe a tech company would want to get in with Netfin Acquisition. So that'd be pretty cool, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, these are 7 no merger SPACs that I found. If you guys know of any more, please comment down below. That'll help the viewers out. Please share this with all your friends and family that are in the stock market. I think this will be the really good chance of the lottery ticket here, of purchasing these, hanging on to them, and one day announce a merger. This thing shoots up to $15, $16. You could sell it off, take your profits, and move on. So yeah, man, that's pretty cool. And I do want to thank everyone that has commented on my videos, liked my videos. It really helps me out to keep going, doing this research and help you guys out. I appreciate all the support you guys give. And guys, don't forget, please subscribe, man. Helps out the channel a lot. So, all right, guys, I'll catch y'all in the next one. And remember, buy the dip.